Tanya Jennings here from Your Economy Lab. I just wanted to share something exciting with you, how to use your Bitcoin with some of the major retailers online, like Amazon, Kathmandu, and for the Aussies here, we've got Bunnings, Coles, BWS, Dan Murphy's, Uber Eats, Hotels.com. The list is endless. And I want to share with you how you can actually purchase coupons from these major retailers with Bitcoin and go shopping. Now I'm just going to log in and I'll show you some of the retailers. You've got all your different ones on the side here, all your different, whether it's games, electronics, health and beauty, apparel, retail, whatever you're wanting to buy. And you can see some of the gift cards that you can purchase here. So if I keep going down, obviously I'm here in Australia. When you log in, you actually just let them know what your country is, and it will load all the major retailers for your specific country. Got eBay here as well. And all you do is you actually purchase coupons for these particular retailers. So I'm going to show today, I'm actually going to purchase a coupon from Kathmandu. I'm in desperate need of a new rain jacket. So I'm going to show you how to do that. If I just come down here, you can see there's Kathmandu. If I click on Kathmandu, and it says here, this gift code may only work in Australia. That's fine because I am in Australia. It will be whatever country you have got, will be whatever the retailers are. So you may not have Kathmandu, I don't know, it just depends on where you are located. But if you click on here, you can see all the different coupons you can purchase. So the jacket that I want to purchase is $150 Australian. So if I click on that particular one there and I hit add to cart and I just go to checkout. And all you do here is you can pay, depending on how you want to pay, you can pay with Bitcoin, Lightning, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dash. There's a lot of the major cryptos that you can use. I'm going to use Bitcoin today. So if I just click on Bitcoin here, and it's the same as any other Bitcoin transaction that you do. So you can either scan the QR code or you've got the Bitcoin wallet address down here. So if I just click on the Bitcoin wallet address, it's copied. And I come over to my Exodus, which you may not be able to see on the screen because it will be over. And I overlay, send, I put in the Bitcoin address that I need to pay and the actual Bitcoin amount. You want to make sure you copy that as well. So I just hit send. You want to just double check and make sure that the wallet address is correct. So I normally just check the first two and the last two digits. If you just come back over here, so you've got 3D and WZ, just checking that they are correct. Because once you do actually pay things into crypto, into the crypto space, it's all done via the wallet address. So if the wallet address is incorrect, it's not going to get to its destination. And it's not like I can go, oh, well, Tanya paid whoever. You don't know that, it's just by the wallet. So you can see here it says payment detected. We're waiting for your payment to be confirmed. Now that's just going to get confirmed on the blockchain, and the payment will go through. And then I'll have $150 Kathmandu voucher that I'll be able to go and use in the Kathmandu store and purchase my jacket. So I will show you how that works. So you can see here the order's completed. All I need to do is click here to unseal my coupon code for Kathmandu. So now it's unsealed, I can hit claim your purchase. So you can see there I've now got a Kathmandu gift code. And I can just copy the in-store and online card number. Copy that. Now, if I go over to Kathmandu, this is the jacket that I want to purchase. I've already selected it. If I just hit buy now, it'll take me through to the checkout. And all I can do is I just need to put in that coupon code and I would have purchased it with Bitcoin. So you can see here, enter gift card, enter the code and the PIN number. So if I just click on that, enter the code, and if I just flick back over to get the PIN number, which is 8356, and the PIN, enter that in, hit add gift card, proceed to checkout. So you can see there the gift card's been added. So my grand total is 0. And if I just hit proceed to checkout, and I will have a brand new jacket purchased via Bitcoin. It's that easy, really, really simple and easy to use, and a great way to actually spend your Bitcoin. Instead of having to transfer it back over into cash and then purchase whatever you're wanting to purchase, you can just purchase it online. And that's it. So I just wanted to share that with you. I will leave the link down below, but it's onlinecryptoshop.com. If you go there, you'll get access to this and you'll be able to find out more about it and how you can actually purchase coupons. But I will leave the link down below. So happy shopping. All right, I'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now.